Hello there, gardeners and also fellow YouTubers. Gardens aren't just a place for plants to grow, it's also a place for you to grow. So I'm doing two things here. I'm growing a garden and I'm trying to grow a YouTube channel. Anything you see in these videos, anything you'd like more information about, or anything you want to know about what I've learned growing my channel, I'd be happy to help you with that. Today we're planting peppers. Now, I am not Dr. Pepper, but I do know a little bit about peppers. In years past, I've grown Carolina Reapers and have some great Carolina Reapers here. I've grown scorpion peppers and have some scorpion peppers left over from last year. And I've grown ghost peppers. Now these are left over after making a peppers, like a jalapeno pepper jam with jalapenos. And it was so hot we could hardly eat it by putting in the Carolina Reapers. The best tasting pepper I found was Trinidad Scorpion, and I'm going to use a few more of those this year. But I don't need any more of the very, very hot peppers, I just need regular peppers. So what I've done to get ready is, I've got some trays, planting trays from Amazon. These trays were $22 for 10 trays. Each one has 72 planting spots. So that puts your cost at about less than 4 cents a planting spot. Underneath these trays goes the drain tray or the watering tray. These can be picked up from your local greenhouse, usually for free. These are the ones that they use to help when you buy plants, to help you tote those out to your car. You can always ask for these and you can normally get them because the other part of the tray, which is the top, is used when they sell the plants. What I've done is I've taken one of these trays, I've filled it full of soil, and I've got it all ready to plant. If any of you need a little video on how to poke holes in the dirt, I'd be happy to provide that to you. But I took a little poker like this, and I poked it in the dirt and got it all ready. The other thing I've done is I've got all my seeds ready, and I've got the seeds all laid out, and I've got a marker for each kind of seed. Using that marker will help me distinguish what pepper's what in my 72 tray positions before I get them put into the ground. It's very easy to plant the seeds at this point. The seeds come in a little packet inside the packet. I've identified the packet and I'm going to save that for reference. This particular one is the big red sweet pepper. We're going to try the big red sweet peppers in row 1. Pour them out onto my tray. I got 10 spots and it comes with about 20 plus seeds. So I want to put at least 2 in every spot. Make sure it'll grow and make sure that I don't waste a spot in the tray. So I'll get to putting these in the tray and I'll join you later in the video. I'm down to the last row right here. It's Big John hot pepper is the one I have left. I've poured open the seeds, very important. Poured the seeds out on my little tray. I like to keep those kind of in a line like this. So I just start putting them in. About like this. Put 3 or 4 per hole on this one. While I'm doing this, I just think of the weirdest stuff. I think of, what was Captain Hook's name before he got his hand cut off? Or I think of why I push harder on the remote buttons when the battery goes dead. You know, I live in an interesting area, and there's a guy that's in my neighborhood that's in the Guinness Book of World Records for having more than 45 concussions. He lives close to the garden, probably just a stone's throw away. Sorry about that. in here. Kind of work my way back and forth. Make sure I get about the same in every hole. Make sure I don't skip any. Again, trying to grow a YouTube channel here. Anything you see, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to have more information about that, I can make a quick video. I do make short films. I also am a motorcycle enthusiast. I've got a little track in the backyard we play on. And the channel started years ago as what was called Ron Davies Music. With Ron Davies Music, I put a lot of songs up. I did all the rhythms on a toaster, as you can see the toaster here. And I'll get up and show you the back of the shirt, which says, push the toaster. So in order to subscribe to the channel, push the toaster. Meanwhile, I'm putting seeds in the hole. Pretty tough. You know, if a person was illiterate, you'd have to judge a book by its cover. It could be like Bob Ross. Just let your mind wander. It's your life. It's your little tree. Put a little tree here, little pepper plant here. It's your garden. You do what you want. Yeah, right now I don't know exactly how the channel's going to come together, but I do know that I've got a lot of things that I have a little bit of expertise in. I'm going to try to knit that all into one channel. Again, sure like you to follow me. And if you need anything, including what I've learned so far in building the channel, let me know. We'll put up videos about that, or I'll answer any questions you have. Just recently been able to put together short videos and get 1,000 views on those short videos, which is good for me. Now I gotta set my goals higher. So I'm gonna sit here and put seeds in a hole and talk to you. Get some value out of old restaurant gift cards you received by using them to help separate seeds in the garden. You might want to use your spouse's credit card if that will help your family's financial situation. I use this little shovel. Now if I was working by the hour, this would be the shovel. I mean, I could go all day, not get tired, not have to deal with a lot of rocks because it would only pick up the small ones. This is an hourly shovel and a ripped glove. I'm trying to get my most out of my money here. So I poke them all down back in there, make sure everything's good. Soil's not too moist. I start filling up with the hourly shovel. It's a good sound effect for filling it up, kind of like that. Now this next part is extremely important. Push it down with a stick. I've got a stick. Made the end fit the size of this. Got an idea while I've been sitting here to make this twice as big, so I only have to do one punch per hole. You'll have to catch that one on the next video. If you want a video on how to make a stick, I can teach you that. There you go, 72 spots, 6 different varieties, so I've got 12 of each variety, ready to go to the room that has the little grow lights in it, just to get it going. Grow lights, small heating pads. Remember, I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching.